Dear friends, tucked away in the awe-inspiring mountain ranges of Guizhou Province, China, a record-breaking megastructure is rising from the clouds, a bridge so tall, so ambitious, it is rewriting the limits of modern engineering. Welcome to the Huajiang Bridge, poised to become the tallest suspension bridge on Earth, with a staggering vertical clearance of 625 meters from the riverbed below. That's equivalent to the height of a 221-story skyscraper, suspended across a vast canyon. Initiated in 2021, the bridge is now over 80% complete, and if all goes according to plan, it will officially open to traffic in June 2025. When that moment arrives, a journey that once took more than 70 minutes will be reduced to just over a single minute, revolutionizing transportation in this mountainous region and unlocking immense economic potential for thousands of people. Guizhou is already celebrated as the bridge capital of the world, boasting the highest number of high-altitude bridges anywhere on the planet. But even in this land of giants, Huajiang Bridge stands apart. Located along the Liupanshui-Wanlong Expressway, it stretches across the mighty Beipan River, one of the most treacherous and remote river valleys in China. The location alone posed an enormous challenge to engineers and an irresistible opportunity to push the boundaries of what's possible. The bridge's full length is an impressive 2,980 meters, with its main suspension span measuring 1,420 meters longer than the historic Humber Bridge in the UK, which once held the title of the world's longest single-span suspension bridge for 17 years. The steep cliffs and fluctuating rock formations on both ends of the canyon required massive support towers. Tower 5, located in Liupanshui County, rises 262 meters, while Tower 6, in Anlong County, reaches 204 meters. Together, they support an engineering marvel that appears to float in the sky. But Huajiang isn't just a triumph of size, it's also a work of architectural beauty. The bridge's designers drew inspiration from classic Art Deco elements, crafting tower tops with tiered setbacks and layered silhouettes that harken back to icons like the Golden Gate Bridge. These design choices not only lend the bridge a timeless elegance, but also reinforce its symbolic role as a new landmark of global innovation. What sets this bridge apart even further is its multifunctional design. Inside the main towers are panoramic glass elevators that take visitors up more than 600 feet, straight to an observation deck, complete with a sky cafe and stargazing lounge. Suspended between two towering cable spans, guests can sip coffee while looking out over mountain peaks, drifting clouds, and the winding river far below. It's a breathtaking fusion of infrastructure and tourism. The road to building this giant was anything but smooth. The Huajiang Gorge, where the bridge is located, lies within an 80-kilometer-long tectonic rift valley, shaped by millions of years of continental drift. The geological contrast between both sides of the gorge is dramatic, one side dating back to the Triassic period, the other over 45 million years younger. In a poetic twist, the Huajiang Bridge now serves as a symbolic link between two vastly different geological eras. Engineers faced extraordinary challenges: treacherous cliffs, unpredictable mountain weather, and extreme logistical hurdles. Transporting heavy steel components in concrete segments up steep terrain was near impossible using conventional methods. To overcome this, a dedicated aerial cable transport system was developed, capable of lifting materials hundreds of meters into the air and delivering them with precision to mountaintop construction zones. Safety was paramount. Each day, hundreds of workers braved heights and harsh elements. Their efforts, often under dangerous conditions, have been guided by cutting-edge technology, meticulous planning, and a shared vision to create a structure that would stand for generations. Technically, the bridge required revolutionary solutions. Unlike standard four-sided bridge towers, Huajiang's towers feature six-sided designs to accommodate a central observation corridor, offering a 360-degree viewing experience. The steel truss girders used to support the deck were fabricated with high-tensile alloys capable of withstanding massive wind loads and seismic activity, a vital necessity in this mountainous, earthquake-prone region. Perhaps most importantly, this bridge is the final and most critical link in the Liupanshui-Wanlong Expressway. Without it, drivers would still have to take a winding, perilous 70-minute journey through steep roads and sharp curves. With it, that same crossing takes less than 90 seconds. The implications are massive, not only for commuters and freight transportation, but also for isolated communities that will now be more connected than ever before. The Huajiang Bridge is not just steel and concrete. It is a symbol of ambition, of perseverance, and of a future where nature and engineering can exist in harmony. It is a monument to what humans can achieve when they dare to dream beyond the horizon and have the courage to build the impossible. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. We'll see you again soon in our next video, where we continue to explore the wonders of our ever-changing world.